Alright, math scholars. Today's topic is duration of time with 12-hour clock. So, this is basically the same thing as asking for the elapsed time between two different points in time. In this case, the example I have here is 7:23 and 10:41. And the equation that we have is exactly the same. It's our final time minus our initial time is equal to our elapsed time. The only thing that's different here is that now we know how to work with 1-minute intervals. And so you better bring your math skills because we're going to do a lot of math here. So our final time here is 10:41 and our initial time is 7:23. So I'm just setting up my equation and subtracting. And how do I go from here? Well, 41 minus 23 is going to be what? Well, 1 minus 3, I can't do that because that'll get me a negative number, so I have to borrow from here. This becomes a 3, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. And then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 18 minutes. I can check to see if that's true. If I add 18 to 23, I indeed do get 41. Okay, so we got the minutes done. Let's move on to the hours. 10 minus 3. Oh, that's so difficult. I think the answer is 3. But just to check, 3 plus 7 does equal 10. So I'm done. So my duration of time between 7:23 and 10:41, the elapsed time between those two time points, is 3 hours and 18 minutes. Be sure you remember, sometimes you can borrow minutes from the hours. But when you borrow an hour, you got to turn it into 60 minutes and add it to here. So make sure you remember that. And sometimes with AM and PM, so for example, if this is PM and this is AM, you can borrow 12 hours from the PM. All right, good luck.